Today I am going to present you about theft alarm using laser light. So these are the contents we are going to see about. Introduction. Laser-based security system is a type of security and alarm system that uses laser light and a light sensor. A security system protects our homes, offices, banks, lockers, etc. from intrusion and unauthorized access. Uses. Security alarms used in residential, commercial, industrial and military properties protect against burglary, theft or property damage as well as personal protection against intruders. Some alarm systems serve a single purpose of burglary protection. Combination systems provide fire and intrusion protection. Now we are going to see what is a laser. A laser is a device that emits light through a process of optical amplification based on the stimulated emission of electromagnetic radiation. The term laser originated as an acronym for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. These are the components required for this circuit. Breadboard, 9-volt battery, battery clip, wires, LDR, LED, transistor, resistor, buzzer, torch or laser. Breadboard. So this is a breadboard. A breadboard is used to build and test circuits quickly before finalizing any circuit designs. The breadboard has many holes into which circuit components like ICs and resistors can be inserted. Battery. This is the 9-volt battery. A battery is a power source consisting of one or more electrochemical cells with external connections for powering electrical devices such as flashlights, mobile phones and electric cars when a battery is supplying electric power. Battery clip. This is the battery clip. A terminal of a connecting wire having spring jaws that can be quickly snapped on a terminal of a device such as a battery to which a temporary switch connection is designed. Wires. These are the wires. Metal drawn out into the form of a thin flexible thread or rod. LDR. Light dependent resistor. So this is the LDR. Photoresistors, also known as light dependent resistors, LDR, are light sensitive devices most often used to indicate the presence or absence of light. LED. This is the LED. A light emitting diode, LED, is a semiconductor light source that emits light when current flows through it. LED parts. So in this LED, when we push the two terminals together, the bigger one is the anode or the positive and the lower one is the cathode or the negative. So this is the symbol of the LED. Transistor. This is the transistor. A transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electronic signals and electric power. It is composed of semiconductor material usually with at least 3 terminals for connection to an external circuit. So these are the parts of the transistor. So when you keep the flat surface of the transistor in front of you, the right terminal is the emitter, the left terminal is the collector and the between one is the base. So this is the symbol of the transistor. Resistor. This is the resistor and its color code is orange, 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 which means 33 kilo ohm resistor. A resistor is a passive two-terminal electrical component that implements electrical resistance as a circuit element. In electronic circuits, resistors are used to reduce current flow. So this is the resistor and its symbol is this one. Buzzer. So this is the buzzer. A buzzer or beeper is an audio signaling device. Typical users of buzzers and beepers include alarm devices, timers, etc. So this is the experimental setup. First, we should take the transistor and fix it to the breadboard. Then, we should take a LDR and fix one of its terminal to the emitter and the other to the base of the transistor. Then, we should take one wire and fix one of its terminal to the LDR and the other to the negative of the breadboard. Then we should take the LED and fix its cathode to the collector and the anode somewhere in the breadboard. Then we should take the resistor and fix one of its terminal to the base and the other one to the LED. Then we should take the wire and fix one terminal to the LED and the other one to the positive of the breadboard. Then we should take the buzzer and fix its one terminal to the anode of the LED and this second and the negative to the cathode. Now let's give it a try. So this is the diagram of the circuit. This is the completed setup. Working principle. The LDR has low resistance in the presence of light and high resistance in the absence of light. In this situation, the resistance offered by LDR is too low since the laser light is continuously allowed to fall on the LDR surface. Thus, the voltage drop across the LDR is also low, which is insufficient to turn on the transistor. So, the transistor remains in off state. So, when something blocks the LDR, the buzzer makes the sound. So, let's give it a try. So, as we keep the torch or laser, there is no light or the buzzer isn't working. But as we block something, the buzzer starts to sound. Application. Laser security system can be used in safety lockers in our homes where even if the locker's code is active, it acts as an additional layer of security. Apart from security systems, this laser-based setup can also be used to check if pets or babies crossed a certain boundary. Conclusion. These laser-based theft alarm systems, which when kept in our houses, offices, banks, etc., can make us feel a safer environment. Thank you, Techno School for Robotics.